Hey guys, this is Mr. Gron, 13.2 angles of rotation. In this video, we are going to be looking at coterminal angles. So coterminal angles are angles that end in the same position. So for example, let's say I had something like 210 degree angle of rotation, right? If I went another 360 degrees, and went to, what would that be, 570, they would end in the exact same position. So in a lot of ways, they're the same angle. Every 360 degrees, you end up in the exact same position, and these are called coterminal angles. So essentially, what we're going to be doing is just taking whatever our angle is and adding and subtracting 360 degrees to find different coterminal angles. All right, this is really what these problems are always going to look like, is we want to find a positive and negative angle that are coterminal with each given angle, right? So all it is adding or subtracting 360 degrees. So for 88, if we do 88 plus 360, we get 448 degrees. And if we do 88 minus 360, we get negative 282 degrees. And so these are one angle that's positive and coterminal with 88 and one that is negative and coterminal with 88. All right, now a lot of times we can just take the angle and add 360 and we will get a positive coterminal angle, right? So this one we add 360, we get 860. And that one is coterminal and it's positive. But sometimes we got to add or subtract more than once. So if I take 500, if I start there and I take off 360 degrees, so I wind it backwards 360, I am at positive 240. Right? That's still a positive coterminal angle. So I could have used this for my answer right here if I wanted to. But to find a negative one, I have to subtract 360 again. Oh, and that should be 140, not 240. So I have to subtract 360 again, and that gives me negative 220 degrees. Now I've got a negative coterminal angle, a coterminal angle that is also negative. All right, and our last one, negative 120 plus 360, that would give us 240 degrees for a positive coterminal angle, and negative 120 minus 360 gives us negative 480, our negative coterminal angle. And you could just keep adding or subtracting 360 to come up with literally an infinite number of coterminal angles. There's no limit to any of these.